In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a digital product order form in Google Forms. First, open Google Forms and start with a fresh canvas by clicking Blank Form in the main form area. If you're signed into your Google account, your work will auto-save as you go, which makes testing and edits easy later on. Next, add the form's heading so customers instantly know what the form is for. On the right side vertical toolbar, click Add Title and Description. For the title, type Digital Product Order Form. In the description field, select your products and complete payment using the link provided. This clear instruction helps set expectations before anyone starts clicking. Now let's add your product question. Click the plus icon on the right to add question. For the question text, use which ebook would you like to purchase? Choose either multiple choice or drop-down, depending on how you want the list to appear. Then add your options. Ebook 1, $10, Ebook 2, $15, and Ebook 3, $20. Keeping the price in the option label reduces confusion and helps customers compare at a glance. It's also a good idea to toggle this question to required so no one skips it. If you want to capture quantity or variance, add another question the same way. Set the question to, how many copies would you like? Choose short answer so respondents can type a number. For cleaner data, consider turning on response validation so only numbers are accepted and add a short hint like enter a whole number. Next, make it easy to pay. Add another question and label it. Complete your payment here. In the question description, paste your payment link from your preferred provider. You can also include a simple instruction. After payment, enter your transaction ID below. Keeping the link in the description keeps the form tidy and directs customers exactly where to click. Before collecting responses, turn on email collection so you can deliver the digital product. Go to Settings, open the Responses section, and enable Collect Email Addresses. This ensures you can reach buyers after payment and confirm delivery details. Preview your form to see exactly what customers will experience. Click the eye icon in the top right. Test the flow by selecting a product and following the payment link to confirm everything looks correct and the instructions are clear. When you're ready to share, click the purple Publish button in the top right. From there, you can copy the link, send it by email, or embed the form on your website with HTML. That's it. Your digital product order form is ready to go.